Trial, son. Trial, son.
A battle and walking on. A battle and walking on to me.
Don't let that come back to me. Don't let that come back to me. The curse is me.
Jesus, put money on him.
The ass, son. It was your chance. You have to curse me. I second Chris first, son.
Well, I know to play the money.
Up, son.
I know how to
Nah, it count. Nah, you count, son. You're making plays, son. You count. What do you mean you don't count? Yo, Chris, let me get 4 quarters. Give me money, man.
4 quarters?
Yeah, let me get 4 quarters. Let me get 4 quarters. Put 4 quarters for me.
You make a newcomer just come and take all the money, man. A newcomer. A newcomer just come and take it.
I'm going to give you a party if you win at the pool.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about, man.
Some change.
We change. Nah, I tell you, make change, son. Nah, put the 5 on the table, son. I take the rest, dog. Come on.
I can't come up,
Yeah,
right?
change.
I take me 5 change. That's fucking money when you have me change that front, dog. 1, 2,
Yo, y'all feel we should play with this bottle. It doesn't matter, son.
4, 5.
Yo,
bring
that bottle filled me.
You should have 6 seconds with
Nah, bring it, son. Yo, so we got 5. Yo, put your money, son. Why you always last to put your money, dog? Come on, man, put your money. Come on. Yo, I'm sick of this. Watch yourself. Yeah, new bottle.
Yeah, new bottle, man.
Let's play with this one. You can play with that one. It's alright.
Trey, what you do? Water, Trey.
Oh, that was your water? Sorry. Everybody.
Everybody come up, man.
Nah, Chris, let go.
New bottle.
Yo, if you want to play with that bottle, let him play. Doesn't matter. I'm playing with this bottle.
It's my goal.
Alright. Yo, hurry up, son. Stop playing.
Mike, you not just go?
Nah, I ain't go yet, son. That's it.
He don't do overs either.
Why you look good, right? I first, Chris. You good?
You take it.
Damn, son. Yeah, new bottle, Chris. You ain't get this. Chris, you gotta change your whole science now.
Oh, for you?
Yeah, the whole science done changed.
No, let me fucking say.
Yes, you better fucking fight. Yes. My boy's sticking. Yes. Yo, I lose it on the Go fun, though. You got it. Go fun. Stick it again, man.
Oh, we don't fight this time, please.
He's trying to change.
Look shaky. Oh, hey, come on, man.
You're not in there,
Somebody fucking.
Nah, put your foot.
Yeah, I was first.
Put your foot, dog. Stick it, son. Stick it. We gonna split that one. Damn, son. I find you pushing me, son. Come on, y'all. Yeah, big baby. Big fucking ass.
Trey don't got it today. Trey don't got it today. Show how you get it, Trey.
Oh my God! Damn, son. Damn, dog.
Shut up.
Yeah, dog. Cool yourself.
Yeah, that's what I was just about to do, you know.
He gotta come out.
You gotta come out, right?
Yeah.
Yo, let it rip, son. Let it rip.
Let it run.
He gotta come out.
Alright, cool yourself. Just go, big baby.
Just do it, baby.
Yeah, just go on, big baby.
Go! Do it, baby.
Oh, my.
Put it out, son.
Do it, baby.
Put it out.
Do it, baby.
Oh, that's yours. Oh no, you're leaving this in here.
Go on.
All I know, I came up. I came up.
Yeah, come down.
Oh shit. Nah, son. That nigga hot.
Hold on. Let me come on.
That nigga hot.
It's a wrap.
Okay.
You can tell he comes to the money.
We gotta drink. We gotta drink that water and get some guys.
It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Just got paid. You got a little money to fund. Yo, let it rip, son. Let it rip. That's 2 in a row, son.
It's a wrap.
Yo, you don't fuck up the bottle.
God is actually a gun.
son.
Oh, losing my touch.
Who next? Chris, you got ready?
Slowly, son.
Take the money, come take the money, man.
Yo, Dad, I'm going in now, son.
After you last dollar, you know what it is.
Come on, put your goat, son. You want? Yeah. Now make sure you got 500 feelers, son. That's all.
Right there.
Just let my roll, son.
Me next after.
Stick it.
Bottle thing, bottle got a fix.
Next bottle. I don't like when you talk in the fucking bottle. Let somebody else, yeah?
Yo, son, run the tank, son.
No, man, you got another counterfeit.
I don't like when you play with the bottle, then it sticks afterwards.
Another counterfeit thing, man.
Fuck. Are we going to roll for you? Are we ready for fucking you?
Okay.
I just threw it up.
How you don't make him play with it? I tell you. You don't understand, son. You don't understand.
Trey, I'm with you. Trey.
See that you still owe me a fucking dollar in a time. I want him to win it.
Trey, I'll put you.
You're going to kill that.
Alright? I'll put you.
Yo, you didn't listen to most. $10 in 2 days. Why you playing, son? You never win. Oh my God, yo, the game before that I was winning a little.
My game, right?
Hurry up, son. Shit.
We know how much I'm about there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next bottle, man. Fuck that. Next bottle. Next. Is that how you get it, man?
It's a wrap.
Come on, put the money in mouth and stop talking, man.
It's a wrap.
Come on, Terrence. Go on, man. Roll it, son. Yeah, nigga won. Come on, Terrence.
Alright,
You get carried away now.
Ooh, go with this one. I don't want this one.
Yo, Terrence, drink your water.
Now, me not drink that again.
Oh, y'all take the bottle again?
I need that.
You don't need that.
Yo, Chris got a kind of technique.
I don't need that.
Yo, yeah.
You try to fuck me. What kind of technique I have? You win a lot of fucking money. You have a technique. Fuck you, man. Remember there about 4 calls back to back.
Go on, Terrence. Go on. Yo, with that bottle, it's Chris time.
Chris the master of that.
It's Chris with that bottle, yo. Terrence get away with the soft one.
Trying to time is over, bro.
Pushy one. Get away with pushy one, son. Damn, son.
Straight down?
No, she like that most hot. I made it here.
Come on, you got one stick, bro. One stick. You got one stick, dog. I told you that's Chris. That's Chris done, son. I know that's Chris done. You're done. When you come, you just got paid to the Friday. Come on, man.
To make a lot handy win to my watch. In dice for last weekend, you don't leave me.
Come on, Chris, go on, man. You got it. What the hell?
Yo, damn. Yo, Trey, this shit just won back to back.
Damn, son.
The shitty thing.
So now leave that.
Yo, get a bottle of that kind of weed on.
I mean, you.
Leave that.
We should have us now.
Yo, go on, Chris. Go on. You got it. I told them what that bottle is Chris gave me. He's got to have a whole lot of money in his hand, bro. Too much.
Well, come on, man.
Chris, the money too big for you. Come in.
Terrence, our pocket what's bad.
Too much money in his hand right now, son.
Lose the chance. Lose the chance.
That's the rap, son. Come on, man.
You lose the chance.
Chance gone. That's it. What you talking about? Yeah, once you go, yo. You scared of me, son? Come on, you know better than that.
Just then go.
Scrum $1, you think I want that? What you saw? You trying to think?
Andy.
Yo, just let me get back my $10 for that, y'all.
Boy, well, these are in trouble now. Trouble now.
Yo, just let me get back my $10 for that. Y'all just play with
I'm done for real.
I could get $40 Hennessy.
Yo, just let me get my $10 back when y'all done this.
Your money,
I will just play with you.
Forgot $40.
Turn it to $1, yo.
I forgot $40 Tennessee.
Your turn, put it down to me now.
Huh?
Put it down to me now.
Man, just split the money if you win.
Yeah, it's a split if you win. Yeah.
It's a rough.
Go on, John. Go on. You gotta go.
You gotta be there, you just say no, leave the money on the ground, man. Don't worry that. Just that's your money. That's your money. No, you ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
You're going too far now. I'm telling you. That's right.
Get out of here, man.
Get out of here. Same time, man. You gonna play kind of fast, just right, right?
Go on, Charles. Go on. Stop checking your money, son. Come on.
That's what gambler do. That's what gambler do.
I ain't gambling, son.
That's what gambler do.
I ain't gambling, son. I'm just having fun. I'm coming up for you next week, man.
Next week? That's what I'm
Come on,
going to do.
Charles. Roll.
Remember, you see, we run in the bank and come back already.
Roll it, Charles. Roll it.
Ooh, you. Don't forget that thing.
Come on, Charles. Roll it, man. You got it.
Put it on my fucking tick. Go on, Diego, you got it. Go on, Diego, you got it. Go on, Diego.